What's up, guys? Josh with Navigate the Wild, and if you're like me, you like jerky. If you're like me, you can't afford it. It's too daggone expensive. And so today I'm going to teach you how to make beef sticks, jerky sticks with the LEM jerky cannon. This is what's cool about this. Yes, the jerky cannon costs 50 bucks. So up front, the cost is a little more. You also, of course, need a dehydrator, but you could probably use other things. I got a dehydrator that I invested in last year. I waited till this year to invest in the jerky gun. But now that the pieces of the puzzle are coming together, I'm taking this. This is Aldi's organic 85-15. I would have preferred 80-20 blend, but it's organic ground beef. Organic. I got 5 pounds. You know what this cost me today? 27 bucks. $27. Organic ground beef. We're going to put this in a bowl. I'm going to season it up. I'm going to let it sit. And then tomorrow, Mother's Day, I'm going to make my wife some beef jerky sticks. I'm going to make my family some beef jerky sticks. We eat a lot of beef jerky. It's a great snack. The other issue is that everything that you buy, if you can afford it, it's all got sugar in it. And so this is not going to have sugar in it. This is going to have some coconut aminos. It's going to have some garlic powder, some salt, some pepper. Very basic. Going to let the ground beef kind of be the lead flavor in the actual stick. And it's going to be awesome. But it's going to be affordable. That's the big thing. So once I make this a few times, the jerky cannon has paid for itself, right? So I would rather buy once, cry once, right? And I would also like to be able to make jerky sticks anytime I want. Just recently, I went to Walmart and I bought a grass-fed, grass-finished jerky stick, okay? My son ate the bag in a day. They were like almost $3 a stick. $3? I can't afford that. 5 pounds of beef. I don't even know how many sticks this is going to make us. I'm going to make some flat ones. I'm going to make some cylinder ones. And we're going to see how it goes. But I'm super pumped for this experiment because if I can do 5 pounds of jerky sticks for 27 bucks, I can afford to do that a couple times a month if we needed to. The LEM jerky cannon. This thing, aluminum grade. It's like a caulk gun, pretty stout. Comes with a plunger. They give you everything that you need for the gun. Here is your tube stick, maybe, and your flat. I'm excited about the flat. I'm going to do the flat first because I think it's going to dry out a little faster. My family likes a little more snap, less chew to their jerky, so we're going to use this one. But these are all stainless steel, really nice quality. Then you've got your brush. This brush is made to clean this thing out. That's the first thing my wife said before I told her I got it. She goes, "How are we going to clean it?" Comes with a brush. So that's going to be paramount for cleaning. And they throw in some seasonings. We got some snack stick from LEM. This one is original, and this one is original. Okay, one is a jerky seasoning. One is a snack stick seasoning. Let's see here. Both do 5 pounds of beef, so that's cool. Here's the issue. Now, I love LEM. But look at all of the freaking ingredients in this thing. Look at this. Powdered soybean oils. I don't want any added oils. Tricalcium. Phosphate. I don't even know the hell that is. Maltodextrin. I don't want that. Monosodium glutamate. I just want regular salt. I'm going to use Redmond's real salt. Corn syrup. I don't want corn syrup in my freaking jerky. Caramel color. Unnecessary. Don't need it. Sugar. Don't need it. Don't want it. Don't need it. So here's where they get you. And this is a lot of companies. If you're eating clean or you're trying to eat as clean as possible, you go in here and you go, wow, 1 carb, 0 sugars. No. The nutritional facts, there's 0 sugar here, but it's still hidden in the freaking ingredients list. Right there. Sugar, okay? So this isn't going in my healthy organic jerky sticks. Cured ingredients, sodium nitrate, red 3. Red 3, look that up. This isn't gonna last long enough that we need processing aids. This is trash. So I love LEM, I'm not using this stuff. So it's been 24 hours. We have our 5 pounds of ground beef in a big bowl here. It's nice and chilled. The goal is to get the purest beef snack that you can possibly make and be affordable, because we're going to eat a lot of it. So this is 5 pounds of organic ground beef, coconut aminos, organic coconut aminos, salt, Redmond's real salt, fresh ground pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Okay, we have the Meet Your Maker dehydrator set up here. We have our LEM jerky cannon. Feels like you're holding a gun. So that's going to be fun. We're going to load this up with meat. We're going to make nice long strips of beef. And I don't know how many of these Meet Your Maker trays. We have 6 of them. I don't know how many we're going to fill up. We'll find out. This is the first time we've done this. The jerky cannon has been washed thoroughly. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get our ground beef here. This is meat Play-Doh. Remember how you put it on the table and you roll it out as a kid? We're not going to do that here because this is a workbench. I don't even know how much this thing's going to hold in the cannon. We'll find out. And that feels about full. Tip goes on, cap goes on. Wipe your hands off because it gets hard to work with. Ooh, look at that. Just keeping steady pressure on the gun. It seems like every third squeeze of the handle gets us down to where we want to be. So we got our 5 sticks on our first tray. That's 30 sticks, 30 beef sticks. I don't know, that might, we're going to find out how many we end up with. But 30 for 27 bucks, you can't beat that anywhere. No, you're not going to get that price. You're not going to get the quality jerky, and you're not going to get it for that price anywhere. I don't care where you get it from. Here we go. All right, so we just did 10 and a half sticks on 2 trays. I'm out. The jerky gun is out. So it's best to have a baking pan underneath just to catch anything. We're going to slide off this ring, pop off the end. There's still a little meat in there, so I'll just remove that, put it back in. And then just like a caulk gun, you just press the back in, pull it back to you. It's like that. And we're going to load it up again. So you definitely, the smaller little sections of beef that you do in your hand, definitely load better. Man, this is super easy too, by the way. Like, you just got to move slow so you don't tear it. But, man, just so cool. You want to be able to hunt, fish, take game, process, preserve, and eat. That's what you want to be able to do. So six nice links on a tray. If you space it out right, and it's easier to start closer to the edge on that first one than end up on the edge of the last one. Oh yeah, look at that beauty. So the only difference is I'm interested in this because there's no casing, right? Normally the ones you get in the store have a casing to them, but you could also fit, that's like a nice Slim Jim, man. Obviously, we're going to be able to fit a lot more of these on this tray. You have a what? Owie. You can definitely do 5 pounds of beef sticks in your Meet Your Maker. This is the 6-tray Meet Your Maker dehydrator. And you can tell these guys put some real thought in this dehydrator. It is the most quiet. It is the most user-friendly. The settings are very simple, very user-friendly, very easy to operate. It cleans up, super nice, stores away, super nice. It's the best. It's the best one out there as far as I'm concerned. So with 5 pounds of beef, $27, organic beef from Aldi's, we ended up with 41 beef sticks because I have one that I couldn't even fit. 41. We got the strips. We've got the tubes. I don't even know what that cost, but it cost a lot. So we're going to load it up. 6 trays. Beef sticks. We're going to close it. Our temperature. I'm going to turn it on first. Temperature. 167 is the highest this one will go, which to me has been perfect. 10 hours. We're just going to let it run. We're going to go to church, come home, and check on them. Well, we're at 10 hours. Everything is done. Definitely needs more spice, which is okay. It's somewhere to start. I'll salt it all down, but it came out really good. You just want to pull it off nice and easy so it doesn't tear. And if the flat ones tear, then you can push from the bottom. But that's awesome. Oh yeah, that tastes great. Well, there you have it. 41 minus a few that we've eaten already. Beef sticks and beef strips. $27 for 5 pounds. You can't beat that. Organic, healthy ingredients. Redmond's real salt representing. 10 hours. This stuff is fantastic. I will continue to do this often. Thank you, Meet Your Maker, and thank you, LEM Jerky Cannon. Navigate the wild.